Hello, this is my review of 3 snacks that are crunchy and delicious. So, first we have the Stacy's pita chips. They are Parmesan garlic and herb, and it says it's baked, and I hope it's really good. So let's try it. That one is really, really good. Salty, very flavorful, and wonderful. And I don't want to stop eating them. So once again, that's Stacy's pita chips, Parmesan garlic and herb, and really good. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give them an 8 for their deliciousness. They're really good. Next, let's do the sour cream and onion puffs, baked corn puffs made with organic corn. Okay. Just try it. Well, it's very flavorful and really good, actually. It's kind of like a melt in your mouth because it is a puff, not a chip. And on a scale of 1 to 10 of deliciousness, I would say I give this one a 9. Very good. And then the last one today is the gluten-free popped Rice Crisps cheddar cheese flavor by Quaker. And let us try that one. And that one is this kind of cracker, puffed rice or whatever that is, thing. So let's try that one. It's very flavorful, very cheesy. Definitely want to eat the whole bag on that one. And scale of 1 to 10, I'd give that one a 9. Very good. I will definitely be buying this one again. Quaker gluten-free popped Rice Crisps, cheddar cheese flavor. I hope you enjoyed my reviews. Subscribe if you like my channel, and I will do this again sometime. This is really fun. Thanks. Bye-bye.